Bea, since you are playing sisters here, di ba? Tas parang 10 years ago, bihira na, or baka imposible na magkasama kayo, and then now, you're together in one movie. So ano na lang yung nilook forward din nyo, working with each other, and so far, kamusta yung dynamic since nakapag-storycon and pictorial na kayo?
Actually, hindi naman kami directly nagka-work ni Bea before, but we were in Party Pilipinas before, when I was still with the Pop Girls. So nagkikita-kita na din po kami before. So ngayong nagkita ulit kami, parang hindi naman siya total stranger to me. Parang nagkakausap na rin po kami before, and we also have may pinuntahan kaming event together for ACG as well. So hindi na siya total stranger, but I am really excited to be working with a new cast this time around kasi syempre ang saya nung meron kang mga ibang makakatrabaho. Tapos para makita mo kung ano yung mga magiging dynamics nyo. Yun po, I'm really looking forward to working with Bea, but everyone especially.
Ako po, like Nadine said, kasi we also promote tax consulting firm, Asian Consulting Group. So we used to really, hi, hello, kumusta? Ganun lang, di ba? And even sa Party Pilipinas before, we used to have dance prods together, rehearsals together, ganyan. Pero that was like how many years ago? So I'm just really excited, and now, kumbaga, we belong to a one home, di ba? One roof na under Viva Artists Agency, and I'm just really excited to start. And yun, sobrang excited, not just tulad ng sinabi na din, hindi lang siya, pero sa lahat, and also Direk, I'm such a fan of Direk Mix, so, ayan.
And for you, Baden, kasi ang tagal mo nung huling nag-horror, di ba? So, kinakabahan ka pa ba ngayon na bagong klaseng horror naman ito? Kasi parang ang tagal na nung dati. At saka bihira ka naman gumawa ng horror.
Siyempre, kinakabahan po ako kasi it's out of my comfort zone. Kasi kahit naman nakagawa ka na ng isang horror project before, it's never the same. 'Di ba? Unang-una, even yung mga technicalities, yung production team na kasama mo, yung yan, sila direct creative team, the story, iba rin naman siya. Tsaka iba yung parang inspiration ng pagiging horror niya. Tsaka yun, sobrang like parang 17 pa lang yata ako nung ginawa ko, and tapos 9 years ago. So, tagal na rin. So, basically, ngayon lang ulit. And very excited. And syempre, yung pressure nandun, nakakapanibago, nakaka-challenge. But I'm really very looking forward.
Thank you so much
Thank
po,
you.
and congratulations in advance.